Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. As a part of this Python interview questions sequence of videos, the next question is, what is the difference between finite and infinite loops? What is the difference between finite and infinite loops? It's very simple. Finite loop means what? Which is going to execute a fixed number of times. Infinite loop means what? It is a never ending process. Very simple. So infinite loop means, so the loop which never ends, the loop which never ends. Finite loop means what? So this loop is going to terminate. The loop will terminate. Okay, the loop will terminate at finite steps. See here, we have to place a proper condition and a proper updation. If you are doing these two activities very clearly, then that loop will become what? Finite loop. So if you are not giving a proper condition, or if you are not doing a proper updation, then we are going to get infinite loop. First, I will write a code for generating infinite loop. Observe carefully, friends. I am taking a simple Python program to generate the values from 1 to 10. This is my task. Initially, I am going to take the number value is nothing but 0 or 1. I want to start from 1. So what is the condition that I am taking is, until the value of I is less than or equal to 5. Array, can you please print the value of I? That's all. What is happening in this case? At the very beginning, the value of I, okay, at very beginning, the value of I is nothing but 1. Is it less than or equal to 5? Yes, the condition is true. So what will happen? It will print that value 1 on the output. Very good. What will happen? Since it is a loop, one more time it is going to run. Sir, second time, what is the value of I? Is it 1 or not? Yes, because we didn't updated that value properly. That's why next time also the value of I is nothing but what? 5 only. Sorry, 1 only. Sir, is 1 is less than 5? Yes. Again it will print 1. Sir, in its lifetime, the value of I is never updated. That's why it is going to print. So this one value, how many times? Infinite times it is going to print. If you want, just let us run this program and see the result. Sir, it is a never ending process. So I interrupted manually. So that's why we are getting keyboard interrupted like this. Is it an example for infinite loop or not? Yes. What is output for this program? 1, 1, 1, 1, and so on. How many times it is going to print? So infinite times it is going to print. So what is the bug here? Because we didn't incremented that number properly. That is the reason why we are getting these things. Okay. I hope you understood the scenario very clearly. What is happening in this case? Right, friends? Now, let us see one example for finite loop. Sir, can I convert the same example for finite loop? Yes. The only thing is, array, can you please update the value of I is equal to I plus 1 or 2 or anything based on your requirement. So that what will happen at the very beginning, the value of I is nothing but what? 1. Is it less than or equal to 5? Yes. So the output what we will get is 1. Next time, since we updated the value of I, so 2, 2. What will happen? Is 2 less than or equal to 5? Yes, it will print 2. So now I am taking I is equal to 3. Is 3 less than or equal to 5? Yes, it is going to print 3. So I is equal to 4. Is 4 is less than or equal to 5? Yes. So I is equal to 5. Is 5 is less than or equal to 5? Yes. Sir, next I value will become 6. Is 6 is less than or equal to 5? Condition is false. Immediately it will terminate. Like that we have to do, sir. Nothing more than this. Okay. Let me check really, is it generating the finite statements or not? Yes. So this is nothing but what is mean by finite loop and what is mean by infinite loop. I think this question is very clear for you people, right? Thank you, friends.